Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make two Chinese-style cold appetizers, pickled cucumber and pickled turnip. Perfect dishes for the summer. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. We have Japanese cucumber here. Cut off the tips, then cut into sections. Place cucumber sections in a plastic bag. Tie up the bag. Place the bed of cucumbers on the cutting board, then use the flat blade of knife to smash cucumbers to soften tissues of it. Pour the cucumbers into a container and break the cucumbers into smaller pieces. Add 5 grams of salt, close lid of container, and shake the container to mix the cucumbers and salt together. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Peel turnip. Try to peel deeper to remove the hard skin. Rinse with water, then cut into sections. Thick strips like this. Place turnip into a container, then add 15 grams of salt. Close lid. Shake the container to mix salt and turnip together. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Drain juice from cucumbers after 30 minutes. Mix sauce in another container. Here is the aged Chinese vinegar, or you may substitute with spice vinegar or balsamic vinegar. Add sugar, chili sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well. After draining the juice out from cucumbers, use a paper towel to wipe dry the cucumbers as much as possible. Place cucumber pieces into the container of sauce. Close lid. Shake the container to mix the cucumber pieces with the sauce together. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Drain turnip after 30 minutes. Mix sauce in another container. Soy paste. Texture is thicker than regular soy sauce and has a richer flavor. Add sugar and chili sauce. Add sesame oil, then mix well. Drain juice out from turnip and use paper towel to wipe dry the turnip as much as possible. Squeeze juice out from turnip. You can see the turnip is kind of translucent now. Put turnip pieces into the container of sauce, then close lid. Shake the container to let the turnip pieces and sauce mix together. Refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Remove marinated cucumber from fridge and scoop out. The yummy pickled cucumber is now ready to serve. Remove marinated turnip from fridge and scoop out. Sprinkle with white sesame seed and diced green onions. The yummy pickled turnip is now ready to serve. Enjoy!